friends and
Right.
listeners of VTFM. Tuning in this morning from around the country
Right.
and around the world.
Right.
Ito ba na sila bikimani yan na buri bitokan yan na matak ni singa mo ni tiri ko ata teman-teman bortaki.
Right.
Kira-kira mada buring gravitabi.
Iya.
War ki kenda tu.
Hey, nabayan rito ni Miki Miki Sar na Sar live to my and VDFM Facebook page kay na VDFM YouTube channel.
Iya.
And once sending on ni bakadam bisingan. Ouch palang show da baka binibina katal akin na bay punjes. And anon na bay to koni na iboli da bay mga rota ko punjes to
Na
muna.
Zero Bites
Yeah.
quality products from Punjes Biscuits.
Yeah, and doon na iboli mo kako sar ni ba wel takadrum and doon na supermarket. Rayda kina na bisiketi kami da ba rota ka tamar bay ngarabi na punjes.
Well, good morning to each and everyone, even though it's a very... how was the weather? How's the atmosphere, the humidity last night?
Yeah,
Kata-kata ng Raki.
Right.
Iyo.
I was like this.
Where were you last night?
Kaya po ito ba skill lambong?
On the bicycle in the morning. To all everyone, to the Fiji team, Fiji men's sevens team for the well-played game. We won the Dubai Sevens 2024. Thank you very much. We start the week nicely.
With happiness.
With happiness. We start the month with happiness.
Right.
We thank you. After 22 tournament, we won again. And the last time we won the Dubai Sevens. Now it's 9 years.
9 years ago, eh?
Yeah, 9 years ago.
Yeah.
Thank you to the team and to the management.
Iya. Big Mulabenaka to Eli Kirasanga Mua and Rabenaka and also Meli Naya the level. Blessed Monday to you. Peter Masilada, Mulabenaka and Sernawanga. Binabale Sara Serai and Bakin Dilea Nangia and Rabenaka. From where?
Yeah, from
Wainimbu House.
Wainimbu House.
Inlandi.
Right. And Sulia Sindingitaki all the way from Omkar Road in Narere. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Mulabenaka from the GS021 in the Balimbula of Sabu-Sabu.
Okay.
Ngolong-ngolong sa Bilambasa. Dan Raiva o Poli.
Okay.
Tini kalima.
Tiri kalima.
Oh, don't Mulabenaka Poli Miao Bulare.
You had 3 fish.
3 fish. Isa.
Big one or small one?
Big.
Oi.
One big.
The
two small.
8.
What's the name of the fish?
The 8.
Wait, the 8.
Nawalu.
Oh, you don't.
Antakat.
Underground.
Nabis na ikan ng bantua sarangan.
Iyo, boy.
Hongo.
Bato ko na bata mo ichigo.
Nawalu.
Bata mo ichigo nakakanin.
Koseng ko 5 ka.
The Momo.
Yeah, the Momo.
From Kadaw.
The Momo now would like to say good morning to Momo and Nei.
Tukuna ba I love you Momo? Tukuna.
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 Hey, Momo.
Kasi tukuna mo ni Momo. Tukuna I love ni Lolo.
I love you, Momo.
I love you, Momo. Nabaliw sa Momo.
Hindi, kamu nung bitalo to eh?
Nandun din na punong ko, nandun tukin na punong to kataki o Momo. And the people from the village, the members of the from Soso, Nadeva Kadabu. Thank you very much for the. We got one birthday. One birthday at Rokara. It's Tinay Abu's grandmother. Tumbuoni.
Happy belated birthday.
Happy belated birthday, 86th birthday.
86?
Ayo. Bang also will call Mbuoni. Happy belated birthday. And the people too from Rokara to Nito and the family Momo Leone and also to the family the Matanisinga family also to from Tumbulebu na Martay Lebu to everyone who was there during the birthday.
When they
Ikatabi manda.
Okay.
Nawalu.
Walu.
Okay, makasakar pa ba?
Kaya matanggali ko niyo nakapakin leve kokowa.
Ako na ikan mo
Ikan naman duwan na ikan ko nawalu.
Saan
We
yun?
was there, they calling us Tumbu Josi. We wait for the fish coming from Kandavu. Here at the Maniwalu kilmekin na naranjit. So he was there, our tabale bring the ika, Lily bring the ika, then we take it to the
correct. May ba tungaya ko nawara ka may kelmenawanga.
Iya.
Duro tu kama duro tabi talibang gusto mo.
Rosasota.
Iyo.
Eda betong bumenandara. Before that, I was working at Nakasi on Saturday.
You were telling me, like you're telling us about the birthday, but I saw you in the video during the birthday party. You somewhere else.
No, this before the birthday.
Oi!
It's 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, somebody surprised with a message. This is Waisana Rusa. Mates from Australia.
Right.
They surprise the family at Wela Housing.
Oi.
So, where are you?
Ngon lang ko basis to ko.
Hurry up. I was, okay, where? Wela Housing. Okay, myself finish at 2. I'll come there. We doing one grog session there, fast and furious. So, from there, I finish at 5. I told them I finish at 5 because I have another birthday function
Appointment.
at Ndalay Balilibu.
Ha.
So, myself, when I reach there, the food there, the grog, the chocolate, the cake, and everything. The
And where's the
powder.
house ya?
Bring it now.
Where?
They komen ko na ambulay.
Ayaw sir, ano ko.
We was there very happiness.
Yeah.
There's a very tolu na ni matsere. Tolu na ni matsere was there. Sir kasi nga seraw.
Yeah.
One of our mbu from Rawa
Right.
and also to the one of the fala Kulandomoni, Tangyaw.
Okay.
We did the singing ringi.
Right.
And also to the Ndakuyabe joining master,
Oi.
Narusa.
Right.
He was there too. Oh, very good. Say good morning to the powder.
I saw you sitting on top, like they put you one salu-salu and one
Ela bang ngole may tay.
On top of the guitar.
Tamo na kita mitangget. We was there reading the grog, very fun. Thank you to Master Wais Narusa, to Mr. Wais Mr. Narusa, and Mrs. Narusa, and also the first 5-8 of the Fijian Rua.
Oi.
Fijian and Rua.
Fijiana.
Fijian and Rua. Was there too.
Right.
To Ali, thank you very much.
Oi,
And
no
also
wonder you
people from Nambukantongo.
spend the whole day there.
Spend the holiday may pangkaray.
So what time you leave Wela?
5.
In the morning?
5 in the morning, may ringo na kato. 5 in the noon.
Okay.
In the afternoon.
Ikaw talaga durere.
And
Sini
Mundo, Mistress Mundo.
Oh!
Yeah.
When I came there, I was waiting for the taxi. But no taxi. I came down to the main road. Came down to the main road. I was stopping the taxi like this. No taxi. One black guest passed by. Pass by. Stop. Pass by. Stop. Come back to the bus stop. When I was at the bus stop, she removed the lubus.
Oi.
Tapos sumbukan na...
They remove the door.
Tapos sumbukan
Biar
na...
bilang ako konong-konong ko. May nailang.
Don't believe me. Oh, madam from the AOG.
Oh!
School.
Don't pull na.
Stop. I was like this. Kacau. Wala kabi. I said, I want to go to Walilebu. And you? I thought you were going to sorry. Come. We drop you at Ndawilebu Lilin. Bus stop there, then we go. So thank you.
Mundraw konong reta.
Right.
Warong cuma matang lebih napalib sarbi pag lidipit tamayap.
Iyo.
Okay, from bus stop then where else?
Bus.
Oh, okay.
No, from the bus stop, jauh. Bukan dua.
No, sorry.
Not Kuku.
Hey.
Jauh bukan dua. Ndele Balilibu.
Uy.
They are home. We go to Ndele Balilibu.
No bad.
No bad messing ani. I already bad.
Well, but in the morning.
In the home.
Wow!
Aula ko yala isang bibali.
All right.
Having my shower, then take text sa kanila. From there we go right to Ndele Balilibu.
Where you take tea?
Kaya wala ko tikite wala libu. And from Ndele Balilibu then I was doing the growth because I already dope from Wela.
Yeah.
I think the
No, when you have your shower, you're gonna be fresh again.
yeah, fresh ko rito baylo masatabutu. From there we go. I want to go to the Bamet.
Yeah.
The Bamet they shoot me from there to baba na laki ang mika.
So where?
Wai wango siya nga ayaw na lang kay. They came back to the Los Celos.
Okay.
May Los Celos to ikaw sa bango. Mambula. Kasi sinay may nambil.
If I know one game, to the drop goal.
When they full the bill.
Yeah.
Kaya sinay may nambil. Lau meka may sopa pa
Okay. Wano kunta na taro. Natabi kunta baki na ya mo lawaki.
Au sa sinay, may laba, may ulan ka.
Saya nga.
It's a new month. It's December.
Ingon kita nga.
And-
Kita ka nang ngunang ko na.
Iyo.
Ngunang ko na batang kino na momo.
Right. Ano mo dyan?
Norot iyo.
Oh!
Tutu na ngone.
Iyo.
Elawa kita kino na momo.
Iyo.
Siya nga, ya sinilawaki.
Satu na rumu.
Iyo.
Kadimi momo tal.
Kali momo meron ko na. May wati talaga ni Ronel Rosso na kinakamomo. Membi wanwa.
They drank rock with momo.
Yeah,
And step momo.
Right.
While in the room,
Yeah.
he call momo.
Kol momo.
Why you call Momo?
Kol momo men. Tau fale mombu. Binabalik Punjas Zero Bites. Quality project from Punjas Biscuit. Thank you to everyone, to Samuel, to Rangatani.
Right.
And the family, thank you very much to you too.
Right.
Thank you.
Nang waliw.
We love you, December.
Era benak. Na boleh besar bito kani matang di sini mau di kuah.
Right.
Iya.
Sama kami ngor to mbose obenseru.
Iya.
Mbose nangali tambua, witango maki oleo anate sovo sana ila mbola wanga tambu.
Iya.
Arto buli ngito tiko en
Moira
Matsumoto.
Macam ni?
Iyo, Kokusai High School
Iya.
mai chapani. Na wale msara lina boss.
Naka.
Na wale msara na sar chiko mai. Na mataka bina kan. Ndolo lo mtumingo vikimrau.
Odi.
Domingo rabi chiko en mobile service station mai go o Musugawa Green. Ker menge ya nanu michiko virtu ni lalango mai nadula. Ya total go ismeli mbola bano ni bina teni. Na buku ni bitoka ni na marama.
Matamanggal?
Iyo, ngori.
Era benak.
Maraming damu, malamang ko.
Yeah.
Good morning to all the crew from the region mobile Bailey Bridge in Mbua. Alamos.
Era benak.
Thank you very much.
Na boleh besar rongo matang kay sa matalmay.
Doon na.
Matang na mo like, matang na mo share.
Right.